Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Maurizio. Nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you. Nice to meet you. I'm Maurizio Molinari. I'm a blind person and I'm interviewing you for a very special position. How to give millions of people with disabilities in the European Union equal opportunities and real access. So, why do you think you are the right person for the job?
Well, firstly, because I have done my homework and I know the facts. I know that people with disabilities are underrepresented in the labor market. I know that many are facing challenges when it comes to accessible cities, when it comes to accessible housing.
Okay.
And I also know that many children are facing challenges when it comes to equal opportunities for hobbies and activities.
Could you be more concrete? What will you actually do?
So we are pushing for an employment guarantee that would oblige employers to hire people with disabilities and to provide training for them. We're also pushing for real accessibility when it comes to buildings, when it comes to transport, when it comes to digital services.
Now you're talking we. Whom are you representing? Why you're talking we? And I've heard so many such promises. Why do you think you're so different from other applicants?
I am talking for the European Parliament. In the Employment and Social Affairs Committee, we had a vote on the EU disability strategy with 48 votes in favor and 0 votes against. So there is a broad support for concrete action and moving from promises to action that actually changes things in the everyday lives of people.
That's a good answer, because we people with disabilities are not asking for special treatments. We are only asking for equal rights and real access.
Well, that's exactly the job I'm here to do, equal rights and equal access.
So when can you start?
I am ready to start right away.